it looks like now. We already took out all the stuff up here, all the clothes. Yeah, and I kind of set up my camera over there. Yeah, so there's no more. So the next thing you will see is it will be a new closet. Yo, we're done. Hey guys, final reveal. Okay, here is the finished look. So that's Joel's side, my husband's, and then ito, the center would be like that. So those are mine. The other side is like this. I have shelves and then double hangs, and then dress hang dun sa dulo, and then here those are my shoes. So yeah, like that, so I could still put boxes on top. Right there, right there, there. And that's how it looks like at the bottom. It's all connected. There. And the linen closet looks like that. Right there. Here you go. That's it. So now let's start putting the clothes in here. So this is the finished look. That's my husband's side. This is the front drawers that I have. Right there. Also here is my side. And on that side are the shoes.